how to fix age verification on the Wizz app. Open up settings first, then you want to use the search bar to search for iPhone storage. Click on iPhone storage, and right here I'm just going to sort it by last used. You want to find the Wizz app, click on the Wizz app, and then offload the application. Once you offload it, you want to click on reinstall. Now, once you reinstall the app, this is just going to verify the integrity of the files for the Wizz app. And if you want to verify your age, make sure you have a well-lit area where you are going to be using Face ID. So it's going to detect your age depending on your face. And also, if you don't want to do Face ID, you will need to submit a clear government issued ID. So you will need to take a good photo of your ID and then provide it to the Wizz app, and that way you will verify your age. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.